Today's walkthrough video is at Cougar Mountain Estates. This is a new subdivision here in Granbury. It is located off the Old Granbury Rd and right next door to the True Grit Ranch. It's a fantastic subdivision. I can't wait to show you this lot that I've got listed. Stay tuned. Okay, here we are at Cougar Mountain Estates. We are at lot number 80, and this is the beautiful lot. It is 2 acres, and there is a beautiful lake view back there. This area is still under construction. You can see they are putting in the infrastructure now. The actual address of this lot is 3012 Lucky Pepper Drive. Wouldn't you love to tell people you lived on Lucky Pepper? Part of being in this community, you get full access to a private lake club, which is located about 15 miles from here over on Lake Granbury. Let me take you over there. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. There's the entrance to the private lake club. There's a water feature. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful greenery. There's a pickleball court. Lake Granbury's on the other side of that pickleball court. Here is a area for horseshoes, picnic tables, grills. Absolutely stunning out here. Let's go check out the clubhouse. All right, so here we are up at the clubhouse. It's beautiful here. Inside is a fully furnished kitchen. Great little outdoor sitting area. And you see this beautiful pier over there. This area over here in the clubhouse inside is available for you as a member. Let's go check out the dock. Just beautiful out here, right on Lake Granbury. See those geese? See that man over there fishing? Oh, cool, a crane. Going down the walking path to this fire pit area. So peaceful out here. There's the clubhouse back up there. All right, so here we are, this fantastic fishing pier. This really nice boater over there just told me it was 10 feet deep, and that is really deep for a cove. Take this way, and it takes you right out to Lake Granbury, and Thorpe Springs boat ramp is on the other side of this peninsula. Thank you so much for watching this walkthrough video of Cougar Mountain Estates. We are at the private lake club. If you would like more information about the amenities of this community or would like to get in and see what fantastic lots are available, especially lot number 80, reach out to me. I'd love to help you. Thanks again for watching.